Hi everyone, welcome back. Right now, your Excel data probably looks plain, maybe even a little hard to read, but here's the good news. Today, you're going to learn how to make your data look clean, professional, and easy to understand using simple formatting tools. First, let's understand one thing clearly. Formatting does not change your data. It only changes how your data looks. All right, now go to the Home tab at the top of Excel. This is where you'll find most of the formatting tools you'll use every day. Let's start simple. Click on any cell. Now look at the toolbar. You'll see options like font, font size, bold, italic, and underline. Here's how to think about it. Use bold for headings so they stand out. Increase the font size when you want something to grab attention, and use italic when you want a softer emphasis. Now look just a little to the right. You'll see something called fill color. This lets you add a background color to your cells. For example, you can highlight your header row with a light color, so it becomes instantly easier to read. Right next to that, you'll find borders. Borders are very important. They help turn your data into a structured table instead of a random list. Now let's talk about alignment. You'll see options for left, center, and right alignment. Good alignment makes a big difference. For example, headings usually look best when they are centered. Text often looks better aligned to the left, and numbers usually look cleaner on the right. All right, now let's do this together. Create a simple table. In the first row, type name, age, city. Now enter a few sample values below it. Next step, select the first row. Make it bold. Increase the font size just a little. Now apply a light fill color. After that, select the entire table and add all borders. Finally, center align the headings. Now pause for a second and look at your table. Before formatting, it looked plain. Now it looks organized, clear, and professional. That's the power of formatting. All right, here's your practice task. Create your own table with at least 5 rows of data. Use bold headings, add some color, apply borders, and make sure everything is properly aligned. Take your time with this, because good formatting is a skill you'll use in every Excel project. That's it for today. You've learned how to make your data look better without changing the data itself. In the next lesson, we're going to work with numbers and learn how to format them as currency, percentages, and dates. I'll see you in day 7.